Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing video with a luxury item. So if you guys want to know what I'm unboxing, keep on watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you guys want to see more content like this. Bye. So let's get into this unboxing. So I got two items. Okay, so look, it's a whole backstory on these items. Like, I've been waiting a week for both of them. I just wanted to confirm what they were, and this is as far as I got. I didn't go any further into open the boxes. I wanted to do an unboxing with you guys, so yeah. And then the other item I got is well, it's a bigger box, and I attempted to open it just to confirm, and yeah. So let's get into this unboxing, okay? Whew. We're gonna start with the big box only because it's super heavy. And look, y'all, I've been wanting this purse for the longest, so yeah, it's a whole little story about how I've been on the hunt for months for this purse. So when I open the box, this is a big box. So I'm opening the box, and you get the Louis Vuitton envelope, and it's just their exchange policy, a little thank you note, a return shipping label, and like a little card about the item that I ordered. So the bag that I purchased was the OnTheGo bag, and child, I've been looking for this bag for months. Like, this is how it comes packaged, fresh off the box, you know, period. And this one as well came from Louis Vuitton, and yeah, this is how it comes. Same thing, everything in there that I just mentioned before. So I bought two items. So big box, okay? So let's get into it. The first item I'm gonna open up with you guys. Let me scoot over. This is the big item. So this purse has been out of stock for the longest, and I was literally stalking their website every day to purchase this. And yeah, just like a little note or whatever. I'm just gonna do this over here. So if y'all hear my fan in the background, it's because I'm in my room, it's hot. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna open it, and this is how it comes in like a little dust bag like this, like a little Louis Vuitton dust bag. I'm just gonna set the box on the ground because that box heavy. So we're gonna open it. Open her, my God. She's so pretty. Okay, so this is the bag. This is the OnTheGo bag that I bought from Louis Vuitton. You know, this is the reverse monogram. Yes, so I love this bag so much. And literally, when I bought this bag, it must have been like a one and done, because as soon as I bought it, it went out of stock, literally, and then they upped the price. Okay, so they upped the price on this purse by like $200 or so, and I was like, dang. Like, then it's like I was already waiting so long for this purse to be in stock. Like, I put it in my wish list and everything. I was stalking the website every day for this, and I finally got it, and I'm in love. Let me show you guys. as you can see, this is what she looks like. And she's really small and cute, you know. I really like it. The stitching looks really nice. I hear a lot of YouTubers complaining about a smell. It doesn't have a smell to me. But yeah, and then it comes with the inside straps as well. And I know these straps used to be the canvas print, but I guess they didn't put those on the newer bags, so they put the black leather straps, which I love because I want this bag to have longevity. And this is what the inside of the bag looks like. It's completely red. And I'm just gonna stuff these back in here. So yeah, I love her. So alright, so this is the organizer that I bought off Amazon. I will link it down below if it fits the purse. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It has like a little Velcro strap on the inside. It's like your regular organizer for like a never full, but it's supposed to be the OnTheGo size version. So yeah, it has the indented corners as well, so it can keep the bag shape. So let's see if it's gonna fit. Looks like it's not. Or maybe it is. Let's see. Oh, it does fit. Okay. So this is what it looks like with the organizer inside. It keeps the shape. It's not too big. If it's just right, especially like in the corners, as you see. So this is already a plus for me. This is what it looks like when you open it. Yeah. So this is definitely nice. I will say the handles, like the black straps, they're on the inside. So if I just want to just grab it, and I'm more so going to be holding it by the handles, more than likely. And then I also have my laptop because I want to make sure that it fits in my purse. So let's give it a try. As you see, I have the MacBook Air. So I'm trying to see how oh, it's really thin. So let's see if it'll fit with the organizer in here. Okay. So it fits right there, even with my organizer in the inside. So that is a plus. You can't even tell that it's in there. It's right there. So I will say with my laptop being in here, it made the bag a little heavy. Yeah, so I probably won't be carrying my laptop like that in here for real, because yeah, it's super heavy now, and it's kind of like a hassle to get it in here and to pull it out, but that's okay. So yeah, so far she is a 10 out of 10. All right, so we're gonna get into the second luxury item. Okay, so this is just the same wrapping, and this item is just gonna be a bandeau. How long this feels, I can't do shit. So this is a bandeau. These are tied from wrap. It has the Louis Vuitton. Sorry, you can't see it. It has the Louis Vuitton stickers. I'm not really sure about that. So yes, this is the bandeau to go on the handles of my purse, and this is what it looks like. And it's this little, like a long tie looking thing, but it's gonna go on the handle. And of course it comes with the little tag or whatever, just so you guys know that it's authentic. So yeah, so this is the purse, and I kind of like it because it matches. That's why I bought it, because instead of like holding the purse by the handles like this, and I feel like I don't want this bag to get any more damage than what it could possibly do naturally on its own. So to protect just the handles, I bought one just to see how I liked it, and I really do like it a lot. As you guys can see, it goes with both sides. really nicely, and I'm probably gonna buy another one to go on a second handle. So yeah, let's see if I can put it on here. I'm probably gonna have to have Louis Vuitton put it on here because I don't know how to tie no I don't know how to tie no scarf. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys what the bag looks like on my hip, like on my side and on my arm, because I'm like 5 feet. I'm like 5 feet 5'1". So I'm gonna show you guys what the bag looks like. And I'm just holding it by the straps and holding it regularly on my arm. So give me 1 second.